Hello traders, good morning. Today is 20th of March 2023. We just banked amazing profit on a Euro Yen, guys. Let me explain to you how I analyze the market this morning. And if you look at here, we had a reversal, and as explained to my trader, that's the area of interest we are looking at. You can see here, price respected here, also respected here. So if you look at here, that's the area, price also respected. So we were expecting here at this area at the reversal price action or continuation. So in intraday, we have this impulsive reversal, as you can see here. That's basically, and after this one reversal, we were expecting a pullback, as you can see here, as explained to my trader. Once the price broken the recent high, so expecting here around this area, price action of reversal, pullback long. By the way, momentum was developed bullish. We had reason in 4 hour to look for reversal, as you can see here. So based on this analysis, as you can see here, the live market price nicely respected exactly at the same level which we were expecting. And after that, as explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So we announce all these trade through live audio commentary alongside the live analysis. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, which is the 4 hour chart, let me explain to you here. If you look at the 4 hour chart, we were expecting that was the first target, and around this level you can see here. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, as you can see here, or at least move your stop loss at the break even. What an amazing trade, guys. If you want to see all that analysis and the explanation in real time instead of review, most welcome. Join our fast growing trading community. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best.